Hello friends! In this video, I intend to teach you how to work with the FBS Broker dashboard. After logging into your account, you will enter the dashboard, where by clicking on Account Settings, you can access your account settings by clicking in this section. You can change your account name and confirm by clicking on Confirm. By clicking on the Deposit option, you will enter the Deposit section. And in the future, I will create a video for you about how to make a deposit slip. And by clicking on the Withdrawal option, you will enter the Withdrawals section, where I will also make a video for you about how to withdraw from the FBS website. In this section, you can see the available amount in your account as well as the credit information. And by clicking on the Special option, you will enter the Withdrawals section, where we will make a video for you about withdrawing from the FBS website. In this section, you can see the amount available in your account as well as credit information. In this section, you can see your transaction history, which will be displayed after you start using the website by clicking on Deposit Funds. You will enter the Deposit section. In this section, you will see your account description, which you can add by clicking on Add Description. You can add your desired description. And to confirm, click on Confirm. In the Partner Attachment section, by clicking on Attach, if you wish, you can register your card ID number, and by clicking on Attach, you can save it. In the Additional Info section, click on the Account Details option. You can view your account information, which is divided into two categories: Specifications and Instruments. In the Empty Investor Password section, by clicking on the How to Get It option, you will see the instructions for obtaining the MetaTrader Password, and by clicking on a window, you can also see the option. You can contact FBS Sports Broker. We return to our dashboard, and by clicking on this section, you can select your account, such as Real or Demo, and by clicking on Add New Account. You can choose your account type as either Real or Demo and click on Open Account. And choose your platform, currency, balance, and leverage. Click on Open Account. And as you can see, you will create the desired account. Let's go back to your account. In this section, you will see your account balance, and also by clicking on a trade option. You can view your account information, and by scanning this QR code, you can start trading with the MetaTrader 5 application. If you prefer, you can also start trading through the website or the desktop application. In this section, you will see your account information such as server, login, and leverage, which can be accessed by clicking on Generate New. You can generate a new password in the lower section by selecting your desired operating system or scanning the QR code. You can download the FBS application for Android or iOS. In the Finances section, you will have access to the Deposit, Withdrawal, and Transfer sections, and the Transfer section will be activated for you after you are active on this website. In this section, you can view your transaction history. Here, you select your account, choose the desired time frame, and also specify the type of transaction, which is divided into categories like deposit, withdrawal, and transfer. This section will be displayed to you after you start using the website. In the Pass and Promotions section, you will have access to the website's promotions. By clicking on VPS Service, you will be directed to the VPS Request section, where you need to have at least one deposit on the website to activate this feature. In the Analytics and Education section, you enter the education part of the website, which is divided into 3 categories: education, event calendar, and stocks calendar. In the education section, by selecting your level, such as beginner, intermediate, or advanced, you can receive the training you need. In the events calendar section, you can select the desired filters such as time, market impact, or area. You can also choose settings like import next week, as well as year for month or USD for month. And at the bottom, you will see information about impacts, time, currencies, and events, plus previous information. In the stocks calendar section, you will enter the stocks calendar section, where you will see information about the desired stock. By clicking on the Help Center option, you will enter the guide section where you can obtain the desired information by selecting the desired option, such as general information, area, etc. And in the profile settings section, you will enter your profile and settings section, where you will see information about your name, registration date, and by clicking on this section, you can add an X to your profile. And in this section, by clicking on your email. You enter the email change section, where you simply need to get in touch with FBS support for this operation. By clicking on Add Phone Number, you can enter your mobile phone number. In this section, by clicking on the Baltic country section, you can change your desired country. And you can save it by clicking on the Edit option for the address and entering information such as zip code, city, and your full address, and clicking on Confirm. By clicking in the Social Network section, you can connect your account to Google, or Facebook. In the Confirmation Method section, click on the Amin option. You can enter your email address and also enter your mobile phone number. In the Add Phone Number section. In the Password section, by clicking on the Edit option, you can enter the current password, as well as the new password. And by repeating the new password, you can click on Create Password and create the desired password. By clicking on View History, you can see the history of your last logins. And by clicking on the Email Notifications section, you can change the notification settings for your email. And by clicking on Save, you save the changes. In the Become a Partner section, you can submit a partnership request to FBS by clicking on the Become a Partner option. Well, friends, that was the tutorial on how to use the FBS website. Good luck, everyone.